Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green onion powder. First, gather your fresh green onions. You'll want to select ones that are vibrant and firm. Give them a good wash under cool water to remove any dirt. Then, it's crucial to dry them completely. Excess moisture can hinder the drying process. Finally, trim off the root ends and any parts that look less than perfect. Once your green onions are clean and dry, chop them into small, uniform pieces. This helps them dry evenly and more quickly. You can use a food dehydrator set to about 125 degrees Fahrenheit or your oven on its lowest temperature setting. Spread the pieces in a single layer. They should be completely brittle when done, which usually takes 4 to 8 hours. After drying, let your green onion pieces cool completely to room temperature. This step is important for achieving a fine powder. Transfer the cooled, brittle pieces to a spice grinder or a clean coffee grinder. Pulse until you have a fine, consistent powder. Avoid overgrinding, which can generate heat. Store your fresh green onion powder in an airtight jar in a cool, dark place. Green onion powder is incredibly versatile, adding a delightful, mild onion flavor to many dishes. Sprinkle it into soups, stews, or salad dressings for an extra kick. It's also fantastic in scrambled eggs, on roasted vegetables, or as a rub for chicken and fish. A good rule of thumb is that 1 teaspoon of powder is roughly equivalent to 1/4 cup of fresh chopped green onions. Enjoy your homemade seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.